Hi all, Ankit Kishore this side from Strefly team and I welcome back to our channel. So this is Bank Nifty chart with new levels and these levels are marked using volume profile. I haven't taken the screenshot because I just forgot to take a screenshot and I marked new levels, so I didn't actually remember the previous labels. So okay, sorry. So now coming directly to analysis part. So see, this is the sideways zone for me, this is a gap down zone for me, and this is a gap up zone for me. So if market opens anywhere here, or if even if market opens a gap down a bit till this point or gap up till this point, okay, so see, I will start by first from sideways, then gap up, then gap down, then gap up. Okay, so this is a sideways zone for me, so this will be a no trading zone for you. Okay, completely no trading zone this would be for you. You have to take entry only when either this or this gets broken. Okay, please mark these levels, and if this gets broken then you have to take entry for this much of target. Okay, and this is about 200 points of target, which is a big amount of profit, so you have to keep a SL of 100 points at least, and you have to look for at least 1 is to 1.5 or 8. Okay, so this is how you have to trade if this gets broken. I mean, sellers bring some volume here if after opening sideways, or if after opening sideways buyers continue to show some move, then you have to enter as when this gets broken. Okay, means at 33210 you have to take entry with 100 points of SL, and you have to look for this much of target. This is around 190 points of move, so you can book anywhere from 150 to 180 points. This is how you have to trade, and rest of the levels are already marked for sideways. Now coming to gap down. So if market opens gap down here or gap down here, see, okay, so if market opens gap down till this much of zone, then that will be a no trading zone for you. But if market opens gap down in this zone, then that will be a no trading zone for you, and you have to take entry only when this gets broken or this gets broken. Okay, means opening actually matters when you are trading on the basis of labels. Okay, because these are the untouched level for that very day, means for coming day. And if market opens in this zone, then that will be a no trading zone, because you have to watch how market is actually performing, which volume is actually appearing, whether this is selling volume or buying volume. This is how you have to interpret data. So if market opens here, you don't need to trade in this zone. You have to take entry either on the breaking of this zone or on the breaking of this zone. Okay, so this is how you have to trade. And now coming to the third one, that is gap up. So if market opens gap up in this zone, okay, then you have to take entry as and when this gets broken, and this will be a this will be a no trading zone for you. Okay, you have to take entry only when this gets broken, or if market opens gap up in this zone, then this will be a no trading zone for you, and this will be a trading zone for you. Okay, but you have to enter only when this will this will get broken. Okay, this is how you have to trade. And if market opens in this zone, then this will be a no trading zone, and you have to take entry when this gets broken. This is a target of around 110 points, so you have to take at least SL of at max 70-80 points, and you have to look for this much of target. But here I will suggest you to work using trailing SL, so that you can aim for big targets, because after that there is a big target available. You can see yourself. Okay, look at it, means after breaking of this level, you have a big target available. So if after opening in this zone, after showing gap up, and buyers continue to give good volumes or appear good volumes, then you have to take entry here, and you have to work with your trailing SL, means you have to take a 70 points of SL, and as and when your one instrument gets done, you have to trail your SL to cost to look for big target. Okay, and if this gets broken, then you can achieve a big target. You can see yourself, so it's a big target available here from 460 to 900, which is around 450 points of move. Okay, I'm not telling you to look for this much of target, but you can here look for a big target, a strip trailing SL. This is how you have to work here. Got it? So this is how you have to trade. And as of now, after looking the price action, you can see yourself. Look at it. Okay, first high, second high, third high, means higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low, and higher low. This is how market is functioning here. So see, this simply means price action is actually supporting this up move, but at the same time I've seen the data of FIIs and DIIs from the past few days. The FIIs are continuously selling, although DIIs were buying from past 2 days, but today they have sold. So means retailers are the only one who are buying in huge quantity, and this is a matter of concern. That's why after looking simply at price action, market is showing market is actually looking bullish to me, okay, as of now. But looking at the data, market is actually quite bearish. So here you have to be very cautious about your trades. You don't need to trade in big quantity. This is how you have to trade as of now in the coming few days, until means market shows you the actual picture. अगर मार्केट यहाँ पे कोई एक्चुअल पिक्चर दिखाता है कि आप समझ में आ रहा है कि या मार्केट इज़ एक्चुअली बेयरिश और बुलिश, देन यू कैन इंक्रीज योर वॉल्यूम. अदरवाइज आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप यहाँ पे प्लीज़ थोड़े कम क्वांटिटी में काम करो, बिकॉज मार्केट इज़ कम्प्लीटली इनडिफरेंट एज ऑफ नाउ. Okay, so got it. And one more thing, this is our Telegram channel. We have given Bank Nifty trade here, and one or two stocks here, and this stock got us SL hit, and this stock gave us good move, and Bank Nifty gave us a really good move, more than 1:4 we have done, we have booked here. Okay, so if you want to join this channel, then the link is already in the description box. So, okay, please do check it out. And that's all from my end. Thanks a lot for your time, and if you are liking our content, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also share with your friend. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.